is Zach, and I love science, especially chemistry. And today we're going to be doing the second part of the zinc carbon battery thing for a video. And yeah. Well, liquid wires we already did. Today we're going to do zinc carbon battery.
So in this one, we'll be making our own batteries, won't we?
Yeah.
Alright, so what do we need out of our starter kit?
We'll need safety glasses, a tray, and a cup.
Okay, safety glasses, there's our tray, and one of these little cups.
Yeah.
Okay, great. And some gloves too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so just like before, I guess this has all of our instructions, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. There you take that. So, where do we begin?
Well, we need stuff out here. I think we'll need graphite, manganese oxide.
Manganese. Yep.
And we also need a container for it.
Okay.
And
So what's our first step? First thing we have to do is pour all of that graphite
into this bottle.
into that bottle.
It's best to do it on your tray.
Yes. This stuff's pretty messy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's see if I can get that out of there for you. Is that all of it? I think that's
good enough.
Yeah, that's all of it. Okay, ready? Now
We need to pour all of the manganese oxide into it.
okay. Very good. Now,
We're gonna have to.
now this is enough for 3 batteries in that container.
Yeah. Now we have to shake it up for 30 seconds.
30 seconds. All right. Are we counting down?
Sure.
30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13,
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow, that was a lot of shaking. Oh boy, oh boy. That was a lot of work. Making batteries is hard. Okay, now it says we need to insert a graphite electrode into a silicone tube.
Okay, so graphite things are here.
Okay, I'll open up one of those for you.
Okay.
You want to find a silicone tube. insert this in here for you.
Okay.
We want to do it so that we leave a little bit of it out, right?
Yeah, we have to leave a third of it out.
Because this will be the positive end of the battery that we're making.
Yeah.
Just like the battery on our AA's has a little nub at the positive end.
Yeah.
This will have a little nub also at the positive end.
And then
What's our next step?
we need pour some of your MNO and carbon.
Okay, so pour some of the mixture of your battery cartridge into there.
Alright.
So we need a funnel. Into here.
And then
And how much of that do we put in there?
we need 3 small scoops.
3 small spoons. So we do this over top of here. 3 small spoons.
Bit too much. 2. 3.
Okay, we got 3 spoons in there. What is our next instruction?
The next step is to put a cotton cylinder into the cartridge and soak it with.
Whoops, oh no. I dumped some of it out. We'll need to add another one of those. Probably a spoonful. That might even be 2 spoonfuls.
Yeah.
I thought it all came through.
1.
Maybe just a little bit more than 1. 1.5. That's probably good. Okay. Hopefully that didn't wreck anything too much. Okay, that's empty now. Okay, we're good. Oh, let's do a little bit more.
That's good.
I think we're okay. All right.
Now we need a cotton cylinder. We need to put it in here.
Yeah, we will. Let me. Okay, it's coming. I have to push this in a little bit.
Yeah.
That might help. Get down in there as far as we can get it.
Looks like we need it in the middle, I think.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, it's down there as far as we can get it.
Right. Now we need one of these and put it in here. Wait, no. We need some of this.
Ah, yes.
Now
I'll take that for you, sure.
we need 7 drops of this.
And you'll need to open that up with your opener. Where's that? Need this as well. Need this. Ah, there it is.
Yeah, can you open it for me?
Yeah.
Then I only press it.
Sure. There you go. Got that all the way through? I think so. Okay, let's do 7 drops.
All right. Oops.
That's okay.
One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, 7 drops. And then we put that in there.
Oh yeah, I grabbed the wrong pen.
Okay. This should be battery.
Yeah.
So let's see if it's the same length as our original battery. And they are pretty close, so that should work out really well.
Yeah. All right, now before we put this in, we have to build the clock.
Okay. If we're going to do that, actually, you know what? We need 2 batteries. And so while we're still wearing our gloves, let's make our other battery. And then we can take our gloves off
Okay.
to make our clock. So, to make the other battery again, what do we need? What's the first thing we need to make a battery?
We need the same things.
So we need another one of those plastic tubes.
Yeah.
And another one of the carbon sticks. And we'll need another one of those things too. That's what we went on now. Okay. Well, not quite yet.
But yeah.
Now we need to put 3 spoonfuls. Make this in here a little bit better. That's probably pretty good. 3 spoonfuls in here. And hopefully I don't spill it all over the place this time.
Yeah.
This stuff gets messy.
2, 3.
Okay. Looks like it's all the way down. Good, that went much better. This is tough to get in here. Takes takes a little bit of work to get that thing in there.
Yeah.
Oh, that went a lot easier this time too. Push that down in there. Do you have your liquid ready? Okay, good. That's done as far as it can go. 7 drops in here.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. And another one of our zinc coated bolts.
Yeah. Now we have 2 of these batteries.
We've got 2 batteries now. Let's see if this one's the same length too. And it's it's pretty good. We'll see. We'll see how it fits.
All right.
So now we can take our gloves off. if you peel it from here on the inside, there you go. It all comes out nice and clean that way too. So now we have to build our clock.
Alright, so what we have to do, we have to put this here.
Make sure we're facing the right way. Batteries down, there you go.
Then the clock, or the 12 on the clock, has to be on the opposite side of the battery case. So
Want some help with that? Pushing that down. Amazing. Ooh. Actually, I think you've got it. I think you got it.
yeah, I think it has to be all the way down.
Yeah. I just had to turn it just a little bit too. So it's facing the right direction. There we go. Perfect. Good. Okay.
Alright. So now we need this.
Well, you gotta put these on there first so that that clock face is held down. So you can take those and start by putting this one on there first.
Alright. And then you gotta put the washer on.
Mm-hmm.
And then we need the bolt,
The nut,
the nut.
so that everything's held down in place. Good job. Now, I'll take these out for you. These are the pieces for the clock hands.
Yeah.
You hear smallest to biggest, right?
Yeah.
Okay, there's the smallest. That's the minutes hand.
The
Or no,
hours
that's the
hand.
hours. That's the hours hand.
We're gonna push this down.
Now there's two sides. I think it goes that way with the flat side down. You got that other?
Yep.
Okay, here's the minutes hand.
We're gonna push this to what time it is. So. Wait, no, it's 5. Bit after.
Okay.
And then this goes to the 6.
And then this should go straight into that hole
Yeah,
for your seconds.
I'll put it in the right.
Okay, now let's see if your batteries work.
Yeah, let's start at 3 when it gets to the 12.
Okay, sounds good.
Now, this is the
positive end, and on here,
positive end is over here.
yes, that's right. Does it fit pretty good?
Yeah.
Is it tight enough? Good. Is that working?
Yep.
Look at that.
It's a bit off, but
We made a clock.
yeah.
And the clock battery. More importantly, we made a clock battery.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
It's a bit off, but that's fine.
That's really, really cool.
Just have to hold it. And then,
Now synchronized to our clock.
yeah.
We've synchronized our watches. Okay, that is awesome. I can't believe that worked.
Yeah.
Now let's try the other experiment where we put 2 batteries into the other thing
So,
and light up a light.
battery case, crocodile clips, and the LEDs.
Oh, I think I have the LEDs over here. Here's the LEDs. So, I'll start by putting one of these into here. Is that the right way?
Whichever the positive end is.
They usually say which end is positive. I believe the spring end is a negative.
Yeah.
So that will go in there. And I'll need the battery out of that one. There, let me try and get that out for you. It's a little tricky. There we go. Positive end in here. Okay, so now we've got our connections.
Let's use.
This isn't quite on its positive end. That looks to be okay. Now we'll do positive to positive. Our alligator clips. Negative to negative with our alligator clips. And
No.
positive on the straight one like before. And would you like to do the honors?
Sure.
See if it turns on. Oops, we lost a negative.
We'll have to push this up more. Wait, do them at the same time.
Sure.
It's hard to hold these open.
It is, isn't it? All right. We've got light. It's really hard to see. And I just turned that off again. This connection came apart.
It's hard for them not to come apart.
It is. They aren't very good alligator clips. But you can see that we do have light.
That would be a bit easier.
You see?
Yeah.
Come here. We have light. See it a little bit better up close, I think. But we do have light. And we can, it might be easier to see the white light.
Maybe. It might not work that well though.
It worked okay. There we go. That might be easier to see. We got blue light off and on. We created a battery. 2 batteries.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Well, thank you for showing me that stuff, Zachary.
You're welcome.
I like doing science experiments with you.
Yeah. Me too.
All right.
What?
Well, thank you for joining us. This is another one of Zachary's It's an Exact Science episodes. To see more, click like and subscribe. And there are more links to more of his videos.
Yeah.
We'll see you soon.
Bye.